Only eating ribeye? This doesn't have to be boring at all. I came up with many different ways how to prepare the best cut of meat. This is part 2. In this video, reverse seared, frozen raw fat, only one side, and seared with fried fat.
Welcome to my life as a carnivore.
For 30 days, I was only consuming ribeye, salt, and water. I wanted to get a little bit creative, and I tried out many different ways to prepare ribeye. Of course, you could do all those ways also with a different kind of steak. So let's see what I came up with. The reverse seared steak. Yeah, everyone is talking about that, how great and awesome it is. I tried it once, but I think I did it wrong because I didn't really like it. So I'm preparing ribeye in all different kinds of ways. I really have to try that again. So this time I found a recipe and I'm gonna follow this recipe so I may do everything right. And we'll see if I like it this time, because I'm not so sure. So here I have my ribeye, really nice steak ready, and it is really, not really this side, but this side really dried out, because the recipe said if you want, you can put salt on it and leave it in the fridge overnight. And I did that to dry it out. So now I preheated my oven to 200 Fahrenheit. It's already preheated. Here I created this. Let's put that one on here. And now this one goes into the oven, probably about 20 minutes. They say it should have a temperature inside of 105 for rare, and I of course want it rare. Okay, so I'm gonna take this baby. Look how nice, look at this color. Wow, I love it. So I'm gonna take this and place it in the oven. Bye bye, see you later. Doesn't really look any different. So I left it in the oven for 30 minutes and as you can see here, I made a hole. I tried to get its temperature, but mine only starts at 140 and I actually want 105. So I thought I'm just gonna wait until this kinda moves. And it's still not moving, but I like it rare anyway, so rather than have it in the oven for longer, I just take it out. And now my pan is already ready and hot. Of course they say put oil in it or butter or something. I just have a little bit fat left from another little ribeye piece I made. So it looks still very rare. I think it's supposed to be like that. Other side a little bit different. So next time, if I'm going to do that again, when I leave it in the fridge, I have to turn it over like halfway. But, so now let's sear it. I like how it looks seared. Not so much seared. Maybe I can fix that. Yeah, I don't have tongs, so I'm searing the edges like that. Okay, so let's try this. I'm gonna break up a part here. Ooh! Well, it does look beautiful inside. Still very pinkish. There's a lot of juice on my plate. sprinkles. I think I figured out how to reverse sear. Yeah, still bloody. Lots of juice in my plate. It is actually really nice because it stays warm for longer, of course, because the inside actually got warm. And it's really nice to eat it that way. So I really like it. But I still prefer it just seared, because I actually like it when it's really raw in the middle, when it's basically still cold in the middle. But this is a total win. So yeah, if you do it right, it is delicious. You have to try this. What is this? Suet? No. It is frozen, it is fat, it is raw. Ribeye fat, of course, only ribeye, salt and water. So I thought I want to try it to eat it like I eat my suet. So, soft salt, and of course this came straight out of from the freezer. Let's try this. Needs more salt. Raw beef suet I love, but I need a lot of salt on that. And I have to say, of course, beef suet tastes better. It's like more creamier in a way. But this also tastes really good. Yeah, I love that. So here's the point where I should say, and well, where I'm gonna say, only do that when you have the ribeye fat, ribeyes from your local ranch or from a very good source and grass-fed, grass-finished. Only do it then. And yeah, that's a really good advice that I just didn't follow, because I don't have any right now that's grass-fed and grass-finished, and I really wanted to try it. So you're not gonna die if you do it, but I'll try to eat, when I eat something raw, I really try to get grass-fed, grass-finished, really like the best quality. Okay, I have here some ribeye pieces. As you can see, already lots of salt on it, both sides. Not too thick, not too thin. And now I'm gonna put those in the pan already hot, of course, always. I love this sound. So, and now, of course, pan again on the highest setting, like always. And now I'm gonna let them cook a little bit. I actually like to press down on them. Let's check. I put something on it because I wanted to cover it. So look at those. On this side, really nicely brown. This side, still raw. And like bloody. Oh, look at that juice. It's fat here. Oh yeah, this is so good. I really like that. Just searing one side and let the other side pretty raw. It's like so beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. It's like so bloody and fat and nicely browned. This is so perfect. So good. Gonna do that more often, also with other cuts. So great, it didn't film my beginning. So here we have a beautiful ribeye steak, put some sea salt on it. And here we have big pieces of ribeye fat. I put some Himalayan pink salt on it. This time we gonna put those in the pan as well. And I think we're ready to flip. That's why I'm holding it here, so it doesn't get done too much while I'm talking here. Ooh, nice. And now, also gonna add beautiful steak and our fat. And some more fat. Ooh. Beautiful. Et voila. If you like what you see, subscribe. If not, just click me away. I'm gonna have some ribeye now. Not the clock, the timer. I'm gonna set it for 15 minutes because I really don't want to overdo that. See you later. What? What's this? Oh, some of the ribeye. Some of the fat. Good.